Hello everyone. Now we are going to start the lecture series of qualitative test for carbohydrate. So before starting these tests, you should know why this carbohydrate gives color reaction. As we know, carbohydrate prevalent in plant kingdom comprising monosaccharide, disaccharide, oligo and polysaccharide. The very common monosaccharides are glucose, fructose, galactose, ribose, etc. The disaccharide, that is the combination of two monosaccharide including sucrose, lactose, maltose. Starch, cellulose and glycogen are polysaccharides consist of many monosaccharides. The aldehyde and ketone groups that are present in monosaccharides are active group that connecting these molecule to form polysaccharide. Carbohydrate contain many hydroxyl group. The OH group varies with number of carbon atom. Monosaccharide contain the free aldehyde or ketone groups. Some disaccharide also have free aldehyde groups, that is maltose. The chemical properties of saccharides vary depending upon the number of hydroxyl group and the presence or absence of free aldehyde or ketonic group. Okay, these variations are basis in the development of color reaction to identify the saccharides. So first, today we are going to start Molische iodine test. That will you help a lot when you are doing this experiment in the laboratory. Now here is principle. For this experiment, the color reaction test is a very general test for all type of carbohydrate. The color formed is due to the reaction of alpha naphthol with furfural and its derivative formed by dehydration of sugars by concentrated sulfuric acid. All carbohydrate reacts positively with this reagent. So here you can see the whole reaction. Here I am making the D-glucose structure. The 6 carbon atom, OH group, OH, H, OH, H, OH, H, and here is OH and H. And this D-glucose react with concentrated H2SO4 and release 3 molecule of water that form furfural. Here you can see this is also 6 carbon atom molecule, but 3 molecule of water removed from this structure. Here you can see the carbon atom 3 connect with carbon atom 5 by O group. This is called hydroxymethyl furfural. And after that, this alpha naphthol is a 2-ring structure that 2-ring structure. It react with furfural and form a condensation product that is violet in color. Okay, this is the whole reaction for this Molische test, and after that here we can see the reagent. As we know, alpha naphthol is a organic compound. Alpha naphthol is a organic compound. So for this we have to prepare in 5% alpha naphthol in ethanol. Therefore, we weigh 5 gram of alpha naphthol. We weigh 5 gram of alpha naphthol and dissolve in 100 ml of ethanol. 100 ml of ethanol. This will be your 5% naphthol reagent. Now come to the 1%. Now come to the 1% carbohydrate solution. That means 1 gram of carbohydrate, 1 gram of carbohydrate dissolve in 100 ml of water. Now our, okay, this is the 1% carbohydrate. Now our next step to conduct the experiment. So for add 2 to 3 drop. Here we take one test tube and add 2 to 3 drop alpha naphthol, and in 1% carbohydrate solution. That tubes already have 1% 1 ml carbohydrate solution. 1% 1 ml carbohydrate solution. That carbohydrate solution or test solution, that means if we have a known solution. Now add 1 ml of sulfuric acid. Now add 1 ml of sulfuric acid with the help of pipette. Sulfuric acid along the side of test tube. Along the side of test tube, 2 distinct layer will be formed. So if in our solution carbohydrate is present, purple color ring will be appear in the test tube. Similarly, you can carry the Mollis test for various class of carbohydrate like monosaccharide, disaccharide, polysaccharide. Okay. Now this table indicate the carbohydrate test and its final observation. All carbohydrate will give the carbohydrate test, whether it is monosaccharide, disaccharide, polysaccharide, and reducing and non-reducing sugars also give all these tests. And so yes, and yes, one thing, for this experiment you have to take some precaution, that is alpha naphthol solution is unstable when are making in a ethanol, so it must be prepared fresh. Concentrated sulfuric acid should be added along the side of test tube, causing minimal disturbance to the content in the test tube. Now we will move to our next experiment, that is iodine test of a given carbohydrate solution. This slide shows principle. As you must be know that glycogen, starch made up of amylose and amylopectin molecules, and these iodine forms color adsorption complex with polysaccharide, and here starch gives blue color with iodine while glycogen reacts to form a red color complex. Hence, it is useful and convenient and rapid test for detection of amylose and amylopectin. Now here a small molecule aggregate to form a micelle which react with iodine and form micelle iodine color complex. So for conducting this experiment we need to prepare 2 reagent. First is a iodine solution and second is a carbohydrate solution. So here we made the 0.005 normal solution of iodine. We calculate the amount by using formula W equal to NeV divided by 1000. N is a normality, E is equivalent weight of iodine, and V is a volume that we want to make. And this calculated iodine value dissolve in 3% Ki. 3% Ki. That means 3 gram of Ki in 100 ml of water. This calculated value dissolve in 3% Ki, and this is the iodine solution. This is iodine solution. Okay, next our second solution will be prepared by taking 1 gram of carbohydrate in 100 ml of water. that is 1% solution. Now next move to the our procedure. Take 1 ml of carbohydrate solution in tube. Here is a tube and we take 1 ml of carbohydrate and add 4 to 5 drops of iodine solution. Then observe for the color reaction. This is our this is the whole procedure for the this experiment. And now come to the observation table, which shows that monosaccharide and disaccharide shows negative test for this experiment. Amylose and amylopectins are present in any saccharides. If your sample is sample contain disaccharide polysaccharide, starch or glycogen, will get positive result, that is you will observe a color change. In starch it will give the blue color and in the glycogen it will give the red color. Okay, thank you.